Night sky is a beautiful art of thousands of stars. Our sun is also a star and it has 8 planets orbiting around it. So does these stars we see in night sky also have planets revolving around them? Are they similar to planets in our own solar system or are they different? Are there planets like Earth? Is there life elsewhere? That will be really interesting to find out. Planets orbiting stars other than our Sun are called extrasolar planets or exoplanets. So, how are they detected? To observe other objects in the sky like comets, stars, galaxies, and nebulas, astronomers just turn their telescope to them, zoom in, and take their picture. That's called direct imaging. But here's the catch, we cannot simply do that for exoplanets. Being small and dim, exoplanets are easily lost in the glare of giant stars they orbit. That's why there are very few exoplanets detected by direct imaging. But over time, scientists have come up with tricks for detection and found numerous exoplanets. The first one is named 51 Pegasi b. It is 481 trillion kilometers away from us and 150 times massive than the Earth. It orbits a star larger than our Sun. It was discovered in 1995. Since then, in just 22 years, scientists have discovered over 3,750 exoplanets. Yes, these 3,750 planets were found near our solar system in our galaxy Milky Way. So, how are these exoplanets detected? The most used method is transit method. But for this method to work, the plane of the orbit of this exoplanet has to align with the line of sight, like this. Every time the exoplanet passes in front of the star, it blocks its light. A periodic dip in the brightness of star by a small amount implies that there is an exoplanet orbiting that star. There is another method called radial velocity method, also known as Doppler shift method. Exoplanets orbit around their parent star, but to be very accurate, star and planet orbit around their common center of mass. Hence, planet seems to be orbiting in a circle and star just wobbles like this. During this wobble, when the star is approaching us or going away from us for some time, wavelength of the light emitted from the star changes, which can be observed by some telescopes. If telescopes detect periodic changes in wavelength, it is considered as a star hosting a planet around it. If the planet is discovered by two or more methods, it is considered confirmed detection. There are confirmed exoplanets that have mass and size similar to the Earth. Great! So are they habitable like Earth? The range of orbital distance for which a planet has liquid water on its surface is called habitable zone or Goldilocks zone. Scientists have done elaborate calculations to find boundaries of habitable zone for different star-planet systems. Surprisingly, some Earth-sized exoplanets are found in the habitable zone. So are there exoplanets which are confirmed to have life on it? There are deep philosophical implications of this question. Scientists are at the edge of making a grand discovery. Even though there are some planets in habitable zone, there is no clear evidence of an exoplanet hosting life in any form. With a new generation of telescopes like TESS, the search is still going on. So only time will tell if there is life elsewhere in the universe.